Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I will be sharing some of my top app recommendations for customizing widgets on Android. Since every Android device has its own unique software interface, like Samsung, Xiaomi, and Huawei, not all apps will function exactly the same on each one. However, the apps I will show you are great options to explore. The phone I am using in this video is the Infinix Hot 8. You can see my current home screen setup, and I will walk you through the apps I used to create so you can make something similar on your own device. We will explore some widget-based apps and dedicated widget creation tools to really level up your customization game. To start, you can use the built-in system widgets for essentials like time and weather. However, some third-party apps make customizing widgets much more enjoyable and flexible. Quick tip: changing your phone's font can add extra flair to your widgets and icons. You can check the font settings on your device, and there are also some great apps for font customization. Here's what we will cover today: Notion Widget, Color Widgets App, My Theme App, Pinterest for Inspiration, Simple Photo Widget, To-Do List Widget, X-Icon Changer App. Ready? Let us dive into the apps. Notion Widget. First up, let's set up a Notion widget. Notion is an excellent all-in-one note-taking app that lets you design dashboards and pages tailored to your needs. It is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking to stay organized. To start, if you haven't already, download the Notion app from the Google Play Store and create your account. Once you have set it up, create a page or dashboard that you want to access quickly. After setting up your page, go to your home screen and long press to bring up the widget menu. Look for the Notion widget option and choose the size that best fits your home screen layout. You can customize the widget to show specific pages or databases, making it super convenient for quick access. Imagine being able to see your to-do list or calendar right on your home screen without opening the app. Notion allows you to include all sorts of elements, from simple text notes to complex databases with tags and filters. So whether you are tracking assignments or brainstorming ideas, having a Notion widget on your home screen will streamline your workflow. Number 2. Color Widgets App. Next, we have the Color Widgets app, which has become popular on both Android and iPhone. This app allows for extensive widget customization. You can change colors, set custom images, and adjust styles to suit your taste. Once you download Color Widgets, open it and browse through the various widget styles available. There are options for clocks, calendars, reminders, and more. Each widget is fully customizable, meaning you can change the background color, font style, and size to match your aesthetic. You can even upload your own images to use as backgrounds, which gives you a lot of creative freedom. If you're going for a specific theme, like minimalistic, retro, or vibrant, you can design a widget that perfectly fits the theme. And here's a little tip: make sure to check the preview feature before adding a widget to your home screen. This allows you to see how it will look with your current wallpaper and icons. It is a great way to ensure everything matches up nicely. At number 3, My Theme App. If you like theme icons, you should definitely check out the My Theme app, which works seamlessly with color widgets to provide additional customization options. This app not only allows you to change your widget designs, but also enables you to customize your app icons to create a cohesive look across your device. Once you have installed My Theme, you'll find tons of pre-designed themes available. You can easily switch between themes to see which one you like best. This is especially useful if you want to update your device look without spending hours customizing each individual element. And before we proceed, in order for your app to look so good, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And back to My Theme app, you can also create your own themes by selecting colors, icons, and fonts that you love. Plus, the app lets you save your favorite combinations, making it easy to switch things up whenever you feel like refreshing your home screen. Next widget is Pinterest for Inspiration. Another fantastic resource for widget inspiration is Pinterest. This platform is overflowing with creative ideas and it is perfect for finding images, illustration, and quotes to personalize your home screen. You can search for phrases like Android home screen setup, widget ideas, or even minimalist design to find visuals that resonate with you. Create a Pinterest board to save your favorite finds so you can refer back to them while customizing your widgets. The great thing about using Pinterest is that you can see how others have styled their home screens, which might inspire you to try out new widget layouts or themes that you hadn't considered before. Next widget is Simple Photo Widget. Speaking of personalization, let us talk about the Simple Photo Widget app. This app allows you to use images from your gallery or from Pinterest directly in your widgets. You can customize the size of the widgets and even add rounded corners or a polished look. To set it up, download the Simple Photo Widget app from the Play Store. Once installed, you can choose photos to display on your home screen. This is a great way to showcase your favorite memories, artwork, or even inspirational quotes that resonate with you. You can adjust the widget size and layout, making it easy to fit it alongside your other widgets without cluttering your screen. Plus, having a visual element on your home screen can really enhance your overall experience. Next widget is To-Do List Widget. If you're looking for to-do list widgets, I recommend checking out the To-Do List app. It has a simple, minimalist option that is functional and clean. After downloading To-Do List, you can set up tasks and reminders directly in the app. Then go back to your home screen and add the To-Do List widget. You'll be able to see your tasks at a glance, which helps keep you organized and on track throughout your day. One cool feature is the ability to color code your tasks or assign them different priorities, making it easier to focus on what needs to be done first. For students, this can be a lifesaver for keeping track of assignments and deadlines. Next widget is X Icon Changer app. For custom app icons, you can try the X Icon Changer app. This is a quick and straightforward choice if you want an alternative to color widgets or My Theme. With the X Icon Changer, you can change the icons of your apps to something that better fits your overall theme. The process is simple. Just select the app you want to customize, choose an icon in the app's library, or upload your own. You can also add labels to your new icons for clarity. This is particularly useful if you are creating a theme home screen and want all the elements to match. Just imagine how unique and personalized your home screen will look with custom icons. And that's it for my widget recommendations. Hope this helps you find some cool apps to enhance your phone's look. Android customization offers so many possibilities, so feel free to play around with these apps and create a setup you love. One last tip before we wrap up. Don't be afraid to experiment. Home screen is your canvas, so try out different layouts, colors, and widget combinations until you find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments, and subscribe for more customization content. I'd love to hear about your own customization experiences or any other apps you recommend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.